Hi, I'm Jennifer. Today I will show you how we share technical knowledge effortlessly and systematically with our customers and employees using digital workflows. As a CTO, I focus on accelerating knowledge transfer within my organization and beyond, optimizing the processes on our shop floors and supporting my customers with information they need. It's safe to say digital workflows are not only increasing the process quality in my production facilities, but I can also use them to establish completely new smart self-services for our customers. This is Mark Fischer. He is a machine operator at one of my favorite customers. Last year, he put this machine into operation together with us, and now the first regular maintenance is due. To perform the maintenance operation, Mark uses digital step-by-step instructions by oculavis Share. With just a few clicks, knowledge can be captured, interactive elements such as image and video instructions, checklists or QR code scans can be added and enriched with feedback texts and images. I can notify Mark easily that a new workflow is available for his machine and roll out the same workflow to the entire installed base of the same machine type. The workflow is launched via a shared link or by scanning a QR code in the mobile app. The intuitive app layout guides Mark through the maintenance procedures. And if he needs both hands free to work, smart glasses can also be used to execute or jump into an ongoing workflow. Mark uses the feedback options to document his work and finishes the workflow. Using the integrated reporting function, I constantly keep track of when my customers or technicians use workflows. This way, I gain valuable insights provided by oculavis Share to further optimize operations in my organization. Our self-service offerings based on workflows are complemented by visual assistants. This allows me to efficiently help Mark and customers around the world with complicated issues from my office, on the road, or from the comfort of my home. The knowledge gained from a service call can be used to improve existing workflows and create new ones. Workflows are used in a wide range of applications, not just in service, but also in my smart factory to map setup processes on production systems, support assembly procedures, or train new employees. The possibilities are endless. If you work in an industrial context and deal with complex machines, systems, or processes, you have to start with workflows and oculavis Share. Contact me at augmentedworkflows.com.